What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Wave with the playbook. Hope you're having a great day, morning, or evening. And y'all read the title, man. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana analysis and update for the week. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I want to appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto and altcoin analysis, but we also post stock analysis as well as we day trade over here. So we live stream and live trade every day. London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. So over here, I teach you not only how to make passive income, but as well as active income, meaning making money on the front end, as well as making money on the back end. Before we get started, I want to give a special shout out to the members and students. You already know I got to do this just for motivation as well to help y'all out. Shout out to my boy right here. He sent me this message a little while ago talking about after finding your page, I got motivated to get back into my trading plan. You see, he sent me a screenshot for making 5 bands on the day. And then this is when I said in my caption, just put your head down and focus on your goal and improving. The results will come. All right, y'all. Got tons of receipts all over the place. So make sure to hit that first link in the description, free signal, free Telegram. All you got to do is go to subscribers, go to photos. There's over 2 going on 3 years worth of receipts, screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to check that out. But we've been going absolutely insane this month. Went 3-1 last week, went 4-0 the week before that, went 3-1 the week before that. So we only took 2 losses this month. And then last month, November, we went 14-1, gives a 93% win rate. Absolutely been dominating. October went 15-1. So that's how we've been doing this quarter. Absolutely been insane. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So this video, I'm going to be breaking down the specific price points to look for DCing in and DCing out at, as well as my projection of where we can see Bitcoin going for the rest of the week and going into the new month, as well as Solana, Ethereum, of course. Now, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. But of course, if you check out my previous videos analysis, you'll see that we're very accurate when it comes to these charts and these levels. Now, speaking of being very accurate, we checked out last week's Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum analysis. You'll see that things are going exactly as projected. Now, again, with Bitcoin, we hit that 108,000 mark. We broke that 100K mark. And I've been telling y'all, if we cannot hold 100,000 as support, we're going to see a retracement down. And that's exactly what we're seeing right here. When we go into a smaller time frame, what do we see? Resistance. Tried to break above and hold that support here, but off the retest failed to do so, treated as resistance again. So before we can get anywhere, we need price to not only break back above 100,000, but we needed to hold 100K as support in order for us to see that next price point get hit, which is going to be 110, 120,000. Okay, y'all. Now, it's already retracing right now. So if it continues to retrace where it's at, it could continue to head down to as low as 88,000, 87,000. So make sure to pay attention to that price point. That's on the short term. Now, on the longer term, it could retrace all the way down to 80,000 or 72,000 price range. Because again, this is where we had that strong resistance level before we broke those all-time highs again, right? These were the previous all-time highs. We had the reversal. Then we broke the all-time highs again. Then we had the retracement. Boom, right? So this is a very strong resistance level. And when we go into the smaller time frame, we can see that this never got retested and respected as support. We just blew through that level and then retested a few levels above it. So if it ends up reversing or retracing, it could try to retest these levels here and then give us a new higher high. So again, do not be too sharp or surprised if that happens. Again, retracements are a part of the game, and going into the new year, there's going to be some retracement, especially because Bitcoin just made a new higher high. But what y'all have to understand about higher highs is that means after a higher high comes a higher low and then a new higher high. I also told you that Bitcoin's essentially like the US 30 of crypto, right? Basically meaning that if Bitcoin goes down, 9 times out of 10, the altcoins, the other cryptos are going to go down as well, which is why when Bitcoin pumps, 9 times out of 10, the other cryptos, altcoins pump as well. And we can see everybody's retracing along with Bitcoin, right? That brings us into Ethereum. Now, Ethereum's at a good position to put your first DCA position in as well, right? Did a nice retracement. It's chilling on this level here at 33.80, 33.85. If we can continue to hold 33.80, 33.85 as support, we can go back to this previous resistance level at 37.95, 3800 price range. But as we can see, it failed the previous two pushes to hold that level as support, right? We see the rejection, tried again, rejected. And look at the past, it never really held this level as support either. So before we can even get anywhere else, we're going to need to not only break above 3,800, but we're going to need to hold 3,800 as support. Now, if we hold 3,800 as support, then we can see price make its way back up to 41.40 and possibly back up to the highs at 46.35, 46.40. Now, if it's stuck in this range from where it's at, it could try to retrace back down to 30,015, 30,010 price range, and on the extreme, possibly 25.80. So make sure to pay attention to these price points right here when it comes to Ethereum. But again, clear bullish momentum, just waiting for volume to see if we can break these previous highs to the left. We see here when price broke above this level here, it failed to hold that support, very similar to Bitcoin. So we're about to see if we can hold this level of support and bring price back up to these levels. So like I was talking about before, when we're at these levels, we never really held this level of support. We just broke through it. And each time we retested, you can see price rejected and failed to respect that level. Then that brings us into Solana. Solana, again, very similar to Ethereum and Bitcoin, very much more closely similar to Ethereum. But we can see the same thing, right? We see a higher high got made, hit 270, but failed to hold that level of support as retracing. So right now, it's not a terrible spot to DCA in as well. But same thing, in order for price to continue to push up, it's going to have to do a couple things first. It's going to have to hold 215 as support. And if it hold 215 as support, we can see 260, 265 get hit again. If it can break a whole 265 as support, we can see 275, 280 get hit easily. Now, if it fails to really hold this level of support, which is kind of struggling to right now, as we can see, it could try to retrace its way back down to 158, 160 price range, or even down to 125. So like I was always telling y'all, you're late, but you're not too late, right? There's still time to get positions as well as catch some retracements, because again, remember y'all, retracements are part of the game. You cannot expect price to just continuously shoot up without a retracement. You can't expect price to continuously shoot down without a retracement or reversal either. Again, these are real prices, these are real markets. If price just continuously shot up or shot down without any breaks or pauses, then everything would be unstable. The economy, the markets would crash. So you got to understand retracements are part of the game. Consolidation is part of the game. Once you understand the rules of the game, you'll be better at the game and you'll know how to play the game. A lot of y'all need to still learn the rules of the game so y'all know how to play the game. And this is what this channel is for, y'all. Now, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free Signal free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels, my Signal service, and my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Let's play Signal. We trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free Signal, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible sells going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this Signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now, I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now, all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now, I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play Signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long But you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded and are an hour long, and they're sent to you the same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.